Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
The highlights again on the Senzo Meyiwa case vele it's about Ugwabini, guys. I mean, Absalom didn't really do much better this week. He was done with Absalom. We were busy with Gwabini, who's also doesn't fear anything like his grandfather who Absalom. I'm just like, wow, Gwabini. And Ugwabini was now worried about his work, but he was just like, Angnandaba, kodwa ngizoba expose abantu. Busy with Ubaloyi, to be exact. Igor Ramusipili outdid himself. He stood up. He was just like, no, please, what's up with the red golf that was driven by Mohula? And then Ubaloyi comes and we're like, no, it's not the one. Guys, these people are lying. Oh my gosh, like, and they're lies, man. You know what's going on with them because they have short legs. They're catching up with them. And then Ubaloyi says, I know, my lord, it's fine. Can we just look into it? Ngoba asihambelani izinto. The red golf is a mystery. Even no longer tall ufaka ku-red golf now. They love the red golf and it's not working, that red golf situation in any circumstance. Mhlambe like how Ubalo is like, okay, the red golf driver moholo ngapha kuzoba ulongothwala. Both of them, those things are my allies, you know. Yeah, there's nothing there, but they keep on wanting to bring it up. It's a mystery and it's not working, the thing. Babanjiwe labantu, they are lying, you know. Also, Rasa just doesn't understand some people how they take their jobs serious. Ugwabini is very frank, guys. He could lose his job. He's just like, I'm gonna write you a letter. Umnesi had to explain to him, break it down to him. We're not the same. Nomuntu lo frustrated ukuthi uzangaluza umsebenzi wakhe when ubusy. Uzombhala incwadi from the court. Some people, that doesn't help because you are paid in hours. You are paid by day, and then chances are you won't be paid for those days because you're not there, young it. Oh, guys. Let's just say it takes 3 weeks. It happens most everywhere in the world. So it's the same. It doesn't have to happen like Johannesburg only. Nase New York, kungenzeka ukuthi abantu they'll come and testify and be off work for 3 weeks. So much what must happen, guys. Like honestly, Urasa always thinks everything right is about him. Guys. He's been through the most already, guys. A shower enziwa zonke izinto by Brigadier Bongani Kininda. Manje uBaloyi besecabanga ukuthi naye uzomenza izinto uGwabini, and uGwabini is so right through Baloyi ukuthi wena ngizokubonisa ke mina ngizo-expose nalo mngane akho lo ngekho right owayengishaya ne-entourage yakho Mokgano noMogula.
There was an interaction between the witness and the state prosecutor. The witness in the
Yes.
Yes, that's Gwabini.
Oh yeah,
yes.
Mr. Zungu.
Mr. Zungu.
Yeah, okay.
And during that interaction, there was an issue about a red VW Polo motor vehicle that was allegedly from the witness driven by Mohani during his arrest. And Mr. Baloyi put a proposition to the effect that on the 4th of June 2020, that motor vehicle was involved in an accident. Therefore, it's not possible that it was present when the witness was arrested, Manot.
Yeah.
Manot, then we went to the records and the transcripts of the 29th of November during the examination of Mr. Gininda by the prosecutor, where Mr. Gininda clearly says regarding the incident of Mr. Ntanzi says, on the 19th of June 2020, Ms. Mohola indeed was not issued with a white BMW, but she was driving a red VW Golf that she used to transport accused number 1 to Tembisa Court. So that proposition that the motor vehicle was damaged by the 4th and by the 19th it was still not mobile cannot be true, madam.
Mr. Baloyi?
Well, the evidence will have to be
look in its context, it could mean that what Brigadier Gininda is saying is that that is the car that is usually driven by her. But we'll have a look at that, my lord.
Yeah, can you
the record will speak for itself.
Can you both check the record?
Yes.
Unfortunately, my lord, I cannot refer it because
No, that's fine. I'm just saying.
on my phone. But
No,
it's the records.
yeah, no. When I say the record,
Yes.
just bring a transcript of the record.
Yes.
Okay, please.
We'll have a look at that, my lord.
Okay.
Ngaphambi kokuthi siqale-ke ubabula Msipile beveza-ke udaba lokuthi izolo-ke bekuye kwaba khona-ke inkulumo ebakhona phakathi komshushisi naye-ke umnumzane uGwabeni la umshushisi ashilo-ke khona ukuthi ngeyi-4 ngokobufakazi-ke phambi kwenkantolo ngeyi-4 leya moto ebomvu leyana-ke yayithole ingozi okusho ukuthi-ke kwangeke kwenzeka ukuthi bekhona ngenkathi ufakazi noma-ke umnumzane uGwabeni eboshwa. Uyabuya-ke manje ubabula Msipile uthi uhambile-ke wayobheka-ke wathola-ke ubona-ke ubufakazi bangeyi-29 zikaNovemba la kwakufakaza khona uBrigadier Gininda la asho khona-ke ukuthi ngeyi-19 zikaJune kuwona-ke unyaka ka-2020 imoto eyayishayelwa uMukula kwakuyi-Golf ebomvu. Inkantolo isithi-ke manje kuzofanele bobabili-ke bahambe bayobheka-ke ukuthi yikuphi ekuyikona phakathi kwaloku-ke abakushoyo.
Okay, thanks.
This is the court, my lord.
Yeah,
I think this issue can be put at rest now because the state's got those records readily available. They can print it. That information it can be read into a record. That is what they normally do.
Yeah, fine.
Thank you.
Well, we are of the view that the portion that Mr. Ramsipil is referring to is the same portion that we referred to yesterday, wherein Brigadier Gininda testified that he, as the commander of the unit, issued the Red Golf in question to Sergeant Mukhola. It's in the same page. We're just trying to. She was driving a red VW GTI, which was the car that was issued by me as a commander for her utilization. Furthermore, my lord, I was not with her on that specific day. This passage, my lord, is
So it must be.
it can be interpreted that on that day she was driving the GTI, or that she normally drives the GTI that he, as a commander of the unit, issued her with, my lord. But
Yeah, fine. But the evidence
we can scrutinize the report in its entirety to try and give a proper interpretation.
No objection, man. What is it that needs to be interpreted here? Because the record is simply saying on that day, Mukhola was driving a red VW GTI that was issued by Gininda when he, for pay utilization on a daily purposes on a day, he utilized that red VW GTI to transport accused number 1 from Valeria to Tembisa Magistrate Court for his appearance. So what is it that needs to be interpreted there?
No, what's important for me,
Yes.
I want the evidence of Mukhola, where she says that car was involved in an accident at Masina, and it was a write-off. Remember that evidence?
Yes.
I want that page, okay?
But then comes Brigadier Gininda who says on the 19th.
Now let's get the other page, because now we're arguing at cross purposes. The driver of the vehicle, as I remember, said it was written off in an accident in Messina, and she gave a date. So let's get that portion of the evidence. Okay, fine. Let's continue.
And my lord, we have quoted the passage on page 2 where Brigadier Ginina says, I would want to answer from the 19th moving backwards. The page that we referred to yesterday about the accident. We'll print it just now, my lord. Carltonville, where he said he used to work, Mr. Mgumezulu. So on the 18th, was it the last day, the first and the last time you saw accused number 2? Specifically on the 18th, witness. My lord, I saw him again on the 19th, Mr. Mgumezulu. No, I was referring to the 18th, the time frame you saw him in Carltonville. After that, on the 18th, you did not meet accused number 2. Response by the witness, Sergeant Mukhola. No, my lord, I did not see him, Mr. Mgumezulu. All right. On that particular day, who was driving, or were you driving a motor vehicle? Witness, that is correct, my lord. Mr. Mgumezulu, what car was it? Witness, Sergeant Mukhola, it was Golf 7, my lord. Mr. Mgumezulu, what color was it? Witness, white in color, my lord. Mr. Mgumezulu, do you remember the registration number? No, my lord. How long have you been driving that motor vehicle? Witness, just after, my lord, we had an accident coming from Musina. I think it was just after 4 June, Mr. Mgumezulu. So in Carltonville, you were driving this Golf 7. Witness, Sergeant Mukhola, that is correct, my lord, a white Golf. And Mr. Mgumezulu says, according to the logbook, it will reflect the registration numbers. The witness says only the SAPS number. However, my lord, on the statement given about the AVL, the car is also included, so the registration will be there, my lord. And it goes on, Mr. Mgumezulu. So it was also fitted with a tracking device. Says we can refer, my lord, to the AVL report, Mr. Mgumezulu. Okay. This is the second time, the 17th and 18th. The third time is 19th June. And the witness, Sergeant Mukhola, says the third time is 19th June. Whereabout? Then Mr. Mgumezulu, on the 19th June, did you meet accused 2? The witness, Pukem Police Station, my lord. Says, you never met accused 2 in Soweto? Says, no, my lord. Mr. Mgumezulu, on the 19th, you were still driving the same vehicle? And the witness says, that is correct, my lord. So, that is the context in which we put the proposition. And I think...
Why don't we find out from the government garage whether that car is still functional?
Yes.
Why don't you both do it? Because you know the registration number, you know the
Yes.
date.
Yes, we can also, from our side, just get the repair authorizations for the Red Golf.
That's it, please. Mr. Ramasipili, you do the same, okay? No, you just write a letter. You write a letter to the government garage.
Can you tell me, my lord, try to get...
No, I can make an order. Fine.
That's fine, that's the one. This is it.
Right, sir.
kulo daba ke ekhulunywa ngalo noma ke engavunyelana ngalo mayelana nale moto emhlophe nalena ke ebomvu umshushisi ufunda ke kubufakazi bange-22 zikaNovember 2023 kuyena ke upage 26 uqala ukufunda ke kuyena uline 20 lana ke inkulumo phakathi kwaMnumzana uMngomezulu kanye nofakazi ke ufakazi ngalelo langa kwakuyena uSergeant Mukhola baba uMngomezulu. Ugcina kwakho ukubona umsolo wesibili kwakunini emva kwalokho ufakazi uSergeant Mukhola ngelanga elilandelayo nkosenkantolo 18 zikaJune eCarltonville la asitshela noma asho ukuthi ke usebenza khona ubaba uMngomezulu ukusho ukuthi ngazo i18 kwakuyilanga lokugcina elokuqala kwakunye futhi ke nelokugcina ubona umsolo wesibili ikakhulukazi ke ngazo i18 ufakazi nkosenkantolo ngambona futhi ngazo i19 baba uMngomezulu cha bengikhuluma nge18 mina isikhathi wambona eCarltonville emuva ke kwi18 awuhlangananga futhi nomsolo wesibili ufakazi cha nkosenkantolo angizange ngimbone noma angimbonanga baba uMngomezulu kulungileke ngalelo langa lelo ubani owayeshayela noma wawuhamba ngemoto ufakazi yebo kunjalo nkosenkantolo baba uMngomezulu yipi imoto nanihamba ngayo ufakazi kwakuyiGolf 7 nkosenkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu umbala wayo wawunjani ufakazi yayimhlophe ngombala nkosenkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu usayikhumbula ke iregistration yayo imoto leyo ufakazi cha nkosenkantolo ubaba uMngomezulu sekunesikhathi singakanani ke ushayela leyo moto leyo ufakazi nje emuva kwalokho nkosenkantolo sathola ingozi uma sasibuya eMusina ngicabanga ukuthi kwakusemuva kwazo i4 zikaJune baba uMngomezulu okusho ukuthi eCarltonville wawuhamba ngayo leyo Golf 7 leyo ufakazi yebo kuyiqiniso nkosenkantolo iGolf emhlophe baba uMngomezulu ngokwezincwadi ke zamaphoyisa izotshengisa yini noma izoyiveza yini ke iregistration yayo imoto ufakazi inamba ke yamaphoyisa kodwa ke nkosenkantolo kwistatement esinikezwe iyona ke iAVL imoto leyo ke iyafakwa noma ke isekhona ke okusho ukuthi ke nayo ke inamba noma registration yayo izoba khona lapho okusho baba uMngomezulu kusho ukuthi ke itracker yayinayo imoto leyo singabheka ke noma singabuka umbiko wayo iAVL futhi ke isihlandla lesibili ke ngazo i17 ne18